Big surprises come in small packages, much like these speakers, which may look small but are enormous when it comes to sound. Hey, hi, hello, and welcome back to Purvika. Today we have something quite special and very loud for you. The latest portable Bluetooth speaker from Sony, the Sony XB13. Sony has made their mark in the world of audio and video entertainment, and this speaker stays true to the Sony brand. There is no need of speaking about the build quality when it comes to Sony. They have given this speaker their signature premium look, and the rubber feet ensures safety and makes it really hard for the speaker to slip and fall by mistake. We have the Sony branding on the side, and above the speakers the metal mesh inside which rest the speakers. Taking a closer look at the speaker, you can see there is a play pause button, power button, and a separate button to pick up and drop calls. When we open the flap, you can see the Type-C slot for charging the speaker. A handy feature of the speaker is the IP67 water resistance rating. And a party perk is the ability to pair two Sony XB13 speakers together, giving you the stereo sound effects and thunderingly loud sound like never before. When it comes to portable speakers, battery capacity is something that can make or break the device. Sony XB13 comes with a whopping 16 hours of battery life on a single charge. There is even a handy strap that makes it super portable to carry around. And yes, you can even hang it on the clothes hook on your bathroom when you are taking a shower. This device is so super compact, looks like a cup, and is designed to go with you anywhere and everywhere. Hardcore music lovers will love this bonus feature, the Sony Diffusion Processor. It distributes the sound in a way to give you a premium music listening experience. And when it comes to quality, you won't have to think twice because, hey, it is Sony that designed this. So, you can be assured to have the durability and guarantee that the brand is known for. So head over to your nearest Purvika showroom right now to buy your Sony XB13 portable Bluetooth speakers. You can even order online at the Purvika website, just click on the link given down in the description box. And make the most of Purvika's safe sanitized home delivery today. You can also enjoy a vast array of offers, cashbacks, discounts, easy EMI schemes and more across your vast catalog just for you. We hope you like this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the Purvika platform, and don't forget to share your feedback in the comments down below.